Welcome to Spice and Aroma. In this channel, you will watch various experts across the country cooking varieties of dishes. To watch various dishes, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Street foods. Street foods are very popular across the country. Lahori street foods, oh, it's delicious. Even one of the Indian cricket captain, who is a Bengali, he also liked Lahori street food. Let's cook today one of the chicken item from Lahori streets.
Today's recipe, Lahori chicken. We need some chicken pieces which are required to be marinated with garlic and ginger paste, chopped onions and garlics with some cumin powder and salt. Put it in a mixie and make it a paste. We take some pieces of tomatoes and green chilies. Make it chopped into small pieces. In the pan, we'll keep the oil, make it hot. Once the oil is hot, we put the chicken pieces and start frying. Once it is nearing to fry, we'll add the green chilies. We'll fry it also a little bit separately, then mix it. Now we'll add the chopped tomatoes. We'll fry all together. Need to give some time, fry it properly. Now we are adding the onion paste. At the same time, we'll add some salt, turmeric powder, little bit cumin powder, some garam masala and little bit red chilies, especially Kashmiri chilies. We'll mix it properly. This process needs to be executed as much as possible. Now we'll add some curd. Again mix it, and that's the cooking process. As much as possible, continuously move it. Now we'll add the butter. Add some more water. Fry a little bit. Need to boil. Now we are added some coriander. Once the boiling is done, we need to cover it up for some more time, around 10 minutes. And now the Lahori chickens are ready. Get served in a plate. Please like our videos and subscribe our channels.